American President George Washington's teeth began to fall out before he reached the age of 30, and he eventually lost them all. During his lifetime, he had at least 4 sets of dentures made to replace them. Although many believe they were made of wood, they were actually made of ivory and other human teeth, including enslaved Africans. In 1756, when Washington was 24 years old, a dentist pulled his first tooth. According to his diary, he paid 5 shillings to a Dr. Watson for the removal. His diary also regularly mentioned troubles such as aching teeth and lost teeth. John Adams says he lost his teeth because he used them to crack Brazil nuts, but modern historians suggest mercury oxide, which he was given to treat illnesses such as smallpox and malaria, probably contributed to the loss. On April 30, 1789, the date of his presidential inauguration, although he had mostly dentures, he had only one remaining natural tooth, a premolar. During that same year, he began wearing full dentures. Washington's last tooth was given as a gift and keepsake to his dentist John Greenwood. During his lifetime, Washington had 4 sets of dentures. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.